Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a K-pop song in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder option right here, and so on. So guys, let's go and see how we can get started making a K-pop song. So there are two ways we can go with this guys. The first option is to find something already pre-made in GarageBand and then edit it based on our likes. So you can go into the live loop section right here in the upper left corner. You can find some pre-made loops like hip hop, you have your electro funk and so on, something that may be of use to you. If not, then you can go into the sound library option right here. In the sound library, you can find a lot of options that you have for making your music and a lot of useful content packs. As you can see, we have 8-bit legends, Vox Melodic, something similar that may be able to help you to get your desired sound. But guys, if you do not want to use any packs and you want to create it from scratch yourself, then go back to the track section right here and now we can get started. So basically, you're going to be recording your beat and yourself using the audio recorder. So if you want to make a K-pop song, you can either use the audio recorder option directly right here by opening it up, and then this is going to open up the recording menu where at the top of the screen you'll have the big red circle to start recording your voice, yourself playing an instrument in real life or something similar. If you go back, you can get started with adding other instruments. If you're making your instrumental, you can use the keyboard option right here as well, record yourself playing, and after that in the upper left corner you can click on this mode right here. This is going to open up this edit mode where you can get started with adding all your mastering effects. As you can see, here's my audio recording, my keyboard and so on to get your desired effect and your desired K-pop song. So go ahead and explore and get your desired song. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.